Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Church. I'm going to explain the basics of HTML. And what HTML you're going to learn later on is like going to be your place markers for all your other languages, other like database languages. It's just like going to be a bunch of place markers, but you gotta know what kind of place marker you use. So go ahead and start out by right clicking your desktop, making a text file, so right click new text document. Now name it index, because any FTP looks for an HTML file called index for some reason. I don't know why, don't ask me. I just fucking let me move some shit around so I can type better. But HTML, they're just brackets like this. See that? It's a place marker for HTML. The HTTPS protocol or whatever, it reads the HTML and it presents it to you. So like in your HTML you have your style and your type of style, which is going to be text/CSS. Now that's going to be your second language to learn, is CSS. You type your CSS in here, in between these two style brackets, and down here, div. Now, how they communicate with each other is through using an ID system, which is really, really easy, and I can literally show you. But you just put like dot means it's a class, and so you go dot div. So we're gonna name the divs class div for some reason, just to confuse you, I guess. And then you're going to open Kelly bracket, and I mean just put like background color, well, blue. Well, hey, now that dot div attribute isn't going to do anything because we don't have anything that has that attribute on the body side, and I forgot to include the body. Every HTML document has a body before the HTML tag ends, but I'm doing this on Notepad. That was weird. I don't know why I just spelled that, but anyway. And that's how it goes. Alright, so in your body, you have all the elements of your page. Now, instead of giving the class div.div to div, if we gave it to body, so that's called a class, right? So class div. And if we were to save this, if we go to save as all files .html and hit save, now you'll notice that it saves another file, index HTML, like a shortcut to Chrome, pretty much, or you know what I mean. And so when you open that, your page is going to pop up, and that blue attribute that we added to the body covers the whole thing. So pretty much that's how HTML and CSS work together. If just learn both of the languages, all the attributes for CSS, all the styles for CSS, and know how to use spans and divs and lists and whatnot, you're gonna be okay. You're gonna be fucking okay. The best programmer is the one that asks the least amount of questions, because they figured it out themselves. And you're welcome.